So there the older birds just took to the skies, and two youngsters, one on the roof and one on the vibrate on the wall. So they will opt for the loft now. You can see they know where to run, at least for safety. Here you can see the young bird reaction when the older birds stick to the sky. So it's always a good thing to let them out as early as possible, because instinctively they know they will not follow the old birds necessarily when the older ones goes up. So there you see the benefits of letting them out early. So this is now my daily routine. Open loft until all the young birds are home. Alright guys. Yeah, I actually wanted to get them on camera when the older birds go up, so that we can record how they react. But I was a bit late now. Maybe later on I will be lucky to do that. I'm just glad that the youngsters don't out of desperation just go and follow the older birds to the skies, because they don't fly that strong yet. And if they must follow the older birds, it's going to be a struggle for the young bird to get back. They must first familiarize themselves properly before they go up. So yeah, you can see them. The white checker with the white flight is a cowbird from the little loft, and this one already goes up on the loft roof, the nestmate as well. But the youngsters are the same size, same age, is not even going up yet. I don't know, they are a little bit advanced, a little too advanced for my liking, because they are working on my nerves. Where is the other one now? Oh, there it is. The nestmate to that checker white flight is this bird. But they are too advanced for my liking. They are working on my nerves. I'm so scared that they will go up. And you can see the flight is not fully grown out yet. There's still a little bit of growth left. But yeah, the others, oh, they don't even go out yet. It's a little tan. Here's another tan and his nestmate. At least they are in and out of the nest now, two of them. And these ones are just camping it out here. The young birds, the other cowbird. Except for this blue ring, the yellow rings, I think I should mark that bird and the other cowbird, so that I don't get confused. Okay, this one is checker white flight. It's the only one of the cowbirds that has a white in it. So it shouldn't be that much of a problem. The blue down this side and the nestmate, they was just in and out earlier. I'm trying to get them to go out, but they don't want to go out. Go. Move. Go, move. You're gonna go out on your own terms. Okay, no problem. No problem. Is the other thing. It's going good so far. I'm out.